Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, our topic for this assignment is called Grab Food Delivery Services in Johor Bahru. So, let's meet our team. The president is Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad FOUZI. The second one is our Chief Executive Officer, Muhammad Afiq Ikram Bin Samsudin, and me as a Chief Operations Officer, Muhammad FARID bin Muhammad YAZRI, and the last one is VP Marketing, IZZUDDin bin AHMAD SHAH. Okay, let's proceed to the introduction. After the pandemic, people start making purchases online, and this will create a new problem, which is the efficiency of package delivery by courier services to make sure a goods can reach the customer as quickly as possible. One of the most important aspects of courier services operation is how efficiently and quickly they deliver the packages on a regular basis. This project concentrates on Johor Bahru region only to execute the delivery of the customers' meal orders. And this project selects the Grab Driver Centres Johor Bahru at Tangga Bay as their hub.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am IZZUDDin bin AHMAD SHAH. I will talk about the problem statement. The food delivery service company has several number of delivery vehicles. So, the company must plan the route for the driver to pick up the food and deliver to their respective customer. Therefore, the goal of this problem is to minimize the total distance traveled or the overall delivery time.
Next, moving on for the objective. The objective for this study are to find the shortest route with the shortest total distance for all vehicles traveled to deliver the customer's order, and then to determine the minimum total cost of the shortest route made by all vehicles.
Okay, let's continue with the location. There are 70 locations were used in this vehicle routing problem, and all the locations are in Johor. They are consist of 8 restaurants location, 1 depot, and also 8 customers location. So, the 1 depot is at Grab Driver Centre, Johor Bahru at Tangga Bay. The restaurant's location in Johor is as follow: Bachelor Cafe, Restaurant Al-Ajwa, Oliver Moose Cafe, Marco Polo Kitchen, Siasat Kuih dan Baru Uda, Cave Fry, Four Fingers, and also Istana Sangkut Kitchen. For the customer location is as follow: Jalan Perwira, Jalan Bentara, Jalan Kemuncak, Jalan Street View, Jalan Baiduri, Jalan Yusof Taha, Kompleks Pejabat SPRM, and also Jalan Datin Halimah.
Next is the type of motorcycle used and the fuel consumption rate. The delivery company used 5 types of LC135 motorcycle. All of the motorcycle use RON 95 type of fuel, in which the price of the fuel is Rm2.05 ringgit per litre. The distance per litre is 45,454.54 meter per litre. The fuel consumption per meter is 0.0000 and 22 liter. The fuel price per meter is Rm 0.0000451. Next is the adjacency matrix. The adjacency matrix consists of 17 nodes vertically and horizontally. The nodes start with 0 until 16 nodes. Next is the distance matrix. The weight for the distance matrix that we use is meter. The reason we get 0 is because it starts and ends at the same location. Therefore, the distance traveled is 0 meter. Next is the location based on Google Maps. This picture shows the all 17 locations that we use. Next is the network graph obtained from Google Colab. There are a total of 17 nodes in this network graph.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Afiq Ikram Bin Samsudin. For the problem solution, first we use Google Colab to solve this problem. We use random function to pair the restaurant and customer. This is the main coding to solve the problem. We input the distance matrix and the pair obtained before. We set the number of vehicles into 5 and vertex 0 as the depot. We set the maximum distance traveled for each vehicle to 70,000. This is the result we get from the Google Colab along with the suggested route, the distance traveled, and the fuel cost. For Vehicle 1, the rider will begin from Grab Driver Center to Restaurant Al-Ajwa to customer at 18 Jalan Straits View and back to the Grab Driver Center. The travel distance is 17,800 and the fuel cost is only 80 cents. For Vehicle 2, the rider will begin from Grab Driver Center to Olive Music Cafe Restaurant to customer at 14D Jalan Yusof Taha 5 to Restaurant Four Finger to Cafe Urban Korean to customer at Jalan Datin Halimah to customer at Complex Pejabat SPRM Johor and back to the Grab Driver Center. The travel distance is 29,600 and the fuel cost is 1 ringgit and 33 cents. For Vehicle 3, the rider will begin from Grab Driver Center to Restaurant Bachelor Cafe to customer at 9 Jalan Kemuncak 3 and back to Grab Driver Center. The travel distance is 31,700 and the fuel cost is 1 ringgit and 43 cents. For Vehicle 4, the rider will begin from Grab Driver Center to Istana Sangkut Kitchen to customer at 34 Jalan Bentara 21 and back to the Grab Driver Center. The travel distance is 36,000 and the fuel cost is 1 ringgit and 60 cents. For Vehicle 5, the last vehicle, the rider will begin from Driver Grab Center to Station Kuih Bandar Baru Uda to customer at 2 Jalan Baiduri 1 to the Marco Polo Kitchen to customer at 41 Jalan Perwira 12 and back to the Grab Driver Center. The travel distance is 32,500 and the fuel cost is 1 ringgit and 47 cents. This figure illustrates the result obtained into graph view. There are 5 routes and the total distance of all routes is 144,600. The total fuel cost of all vehicles is 6 ringgit and 66 cents.
As a conclusion, by using Google Colab, we found the Grab Driver Center as the starting and end point. Thus, by using a random choice function, 8 locations were randomly selected as the locations of delivery to the customers. As a result, for the objective 1, the vehicles need to travel about 147,600 meters as a total shortest route for them to be able to pick up and deliver the goods order for 17 locations, and the shortest route was 17,800 meters. For the second objective, the total fuel cost for all 5 vehicles to complete the order is 6 ringgit and 66 cents. That's all from us. Thank you.